Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Bolt. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video I would like to ask you that if you're new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's start the review. Before starting the video, I would like to ask you that I'm not their financial advisor, I'm just telling you about their amazing project, A Free Spirit. Welcome to A Style, where innovation and tradition coverage in a perfect fusion of the physical and digital worlds. First, I am telling you that what is A Style. A Style is a brand born in Italy in the early 20s, recognizable by its iconic logo, the first letter of the alphabet, with its double meaning initially appeared on thousands of scattered everywhere, then on a large facades of building in fashionable Milan. It's not only conquered the streets but also made its way into international circuits and even onto the chest of personalities like Lionel Messi. A-Style also had a significant presence at high-level sporting events such as MotoGP, strengthening its image and expanding its global notoriety with tens of millions of stickers distributed and massive visibility through prestigious sponsorship. The brand has become an icon of unconventional marketing, combating counterfeiting with blockchain. A-Star was the most counterfeited brand relative to its distribution. We were talking about fake products in many countries, some of which we were never reached by the official distribution. For this reason, the owner withdrew the brand from the market in 2015. Today, A-Style is launching a blockchain project to combat brand counterfeiting through integration with Web3 and the use of A-Style tokens. The brand promises to ensure the authenticity of products. Thanks to NFC technology, each authentic product can be scanned, allowing consumers to verify its genuineness in real time. Now we have a question that why is it beneficial to buy A-Style token during the pre-sale? Purchasing A-Style token during the pre-sale offer unique and promising advantages like mathematical growth of the token value, history and reliability, innovation and authenticity. Each time an A-Style product is sold, a percentage of the proceeds is reinvested in the A-Style token. This mechanism ensures a mathematically growth of the token price directly correlated to the company's gross revenue, history and reliability. Unlike many other blockchain projects, A-Style has a long history of success and a solid reputation. This offers greater reliability and security to investors thanks to the brand's proven ability to achieve tangible results. Innovation and authenticity. The NFC technology used in A-Style product labels not only guarantees the authenticity of the product but also bring customers closer to the world of Web3. Even those new of this universe may be intrigued and incentivized to explore further thanks to the tokens linked to and obtainable from the scannable labels of purchased product. With a history of success and a constant commitment to innovation, A-Style continue to surprise and evolve, new offering a unique opportunity for investors and participation in the blockchain world. You can also see their pre-sale from here. Next we have the connection between Web3 and A-Style. The powerful and recognizable double meaning A-Style logo is now fully minted in 20 billion A-Style tokens. Every A-Style product on the market will have a unique NFC tag. This tag, when scanned with your smartphone, will enable a number of A-Style token correlated to the product value that you can store in your crypto wallet. Next, we have unlock authenticity and exclusive benefits with A-Style NFC. By scanning the NFC tag, you can also verify the authenticity of your A-Style product and access the A-Style club, gaining benefits associated with your token and purchasing dedicated A-Style product and services. Start your A-Style journey. Watch the video and learn how to A-Style ecosystem works. You can also see their official video from here. Next we have discover what's next step. Pre-sale 2 months. A-Style product development, design and production of A-Style physical product, NFT tag, development of the SQL database of correlated A-Style product with A-Style token, web marketplace development. Create an e-commerce platform integrated with Web3 functionality. Security enhancement. Implement security measures to protect the A-Style ecosystem. International brand marketing. Launch global marketing campaign to increase brand visibility. 4-month team integration, implement cohesion and team members to improve productivity and innovation, token liquidity setup and Web3 improvement, stabilize token liquidity and improve the infrastructure, product logistics, organize logistics for the distribution of physical products, start of online sales of A-style physical product, online and offline marketing, implement marketing campaigns both online and offline, leveraging social networks, the press and offline brand visibility, improvement of A-style club, enhance the functionalities and benefits of the club for customers. 4-month improvement of correlated between Web3 and new physical product and services, product distribution network, expand the distribution network to reach the wider audience, marketing increase, intensify marketing activities to improve brand visibility through event and sponsorship, A-style product development, expand the product range, collaborations and co-branding from strategic partnership to develop new product line and stylistic collaborations. Phase 1 pre-sale, a style land in Web3 and begins the distribution of A-style token. Web3 amplifies, support and promote phase 2. Owning A-style token means joining the A-style club and enjoying its benefits. It is also an effective tool for verifying the authenticity of A-style product. Phase 2 sale. The quality product of the original Italian brand A-Style are ready for sale. The special NFC tags applied to all A-Style product to guide each customer into Web3. The NFC tag placed on each A-Style product you purchase give you through your smartphone a defined number of A-Style token and ensure that each product is uniquely and reciprocally linked to you for as long as you desire. Next, we have the unique bond between A-Style product and token. For every A-Style product purchased and then registered through the A-Style Club, 10% of its value will be added to the liquidity of the A-Style token, thus supporting the ecosystem. In this way, the value of the token reflects the global expansion and success of A-Style brand. Next, we have their social platform like their Telegram community, their Twitter account, their Facebook page and their Instagram page. You must join their Telegram community for latest update. This is an amazing project and you can also join their Twitter account. You can follow them on Twitter. You can also see their post from here. This is an amazing project. Now I'm showing you their old magazine. You can also see their old magazines from here. This is an amazing project and you can also contact them by their email. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye.